Roast duck, a culinary delight. It's tender, succulent, and packed with flavor. And let's not even get started on your preparation. Roasting you is an art form, and many have fallen victim to your tricky ways. One wrong move, and you turn into a greasy, dry mess that's better suited for a game of hockey than a fine dining experience. Remember, this roast is all in good fun, and in reality, roast duck is a beloved dish enjoyed by many. Its rich taste and crispy skin have earned it a well-deserved spot on the dining tables of food enthusiasts worldwide.